There once was a man named Gold Roger, who was king of the pirates. He had fame, power, and wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Before they hung him from the gallows, these were the final words he said.
My fortune is yours for the taking, but you'll have to find it first. I left everything I own in one piece.
Ever since, pirates from all over the world set sail for the Grand Line, searching for One Piece, the treasure that would make their dreams come true.
Yo!
Yayo, dreaming. Don't give it up, Luffy. Don't give it up, Zoro. Don't give it up, Nami. Don't give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. No!
Here's how the story goes. We find out about a treasure in the Grand Line. There's no doubt. The pirate whose eye is on it, he'll sing. I'll be king of the pirates. I'm gonna be king.
Yayo, yayo, yayo. Oh, oh. His name is Luffy.
That's Monkey D.
Gonna be king of the pirates. He's made a rubber.
How did that happen?
Yo ho ho, he took a bite of gum gum.
His name's Zolo. He's just like a samurai and a Lady. Nami's not shy. Usopp's doing that marksman thing. Sanji's cooking. Chopper's doctoring.